how to set up a chat box in Streamlabs OBS for 2024. First, open Streamlabs OBS on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Streamlabs website and download the latest version. Next, log in into your streaming account. Streamlabs supports Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and more. Make sure you're logged in into the account you plan to stream from. Once you've logged into, go to the live sidebar and click on the Widgets tab. This will bring up a list of all the widgets available in the Streamlabs. From the list of widgets, select Chat Box. This is the widget that will display your chat on the screen during your stream. Now you can customize your chat box to match your stream's theme. You can change the theme, font size, colors, and more. Take some time to make it look the way you want. Once you're happy with the customization, scroll down and copy the widget URL. You'll need URL to add the chat box to your stream. Go back to the main Streamlabs OBS interface and select the scene where you want to add the chat box. Click on the plus button to add a new source and choose browser source. In the browser source settings, paste the widget URL you copied earlier. You can adjust the width and height to fit your stream layout. And that's it. You've successfully set up a chat box in Streamlabs OBS for 2024. Now you can keep your audience engaged and make sure your streams more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tips and tricks.